Morning students. Okay, today we will start data handling. Okay, we had discussed in online classes now, but you will understand it by this video. Okay, so today we will discuss first of all data. So a collection of figures with numbers or facts, okay, is called data. So I am repeating again, a collection of figures or numbers or facts is called data. So now there are types of data. So mainly data is divided into two types. Okay, so first type is primary data. So this is the definition of the primary data. When an investigator, okay, a person who, okay, go to collect data, okay, called investigator. So when an investigator himself or herself, she can be boy or girl, okay, that's all it is. So himself or herself collects data. This type of data is called primary data. Okay, so for example, okay, when you're in your school, your PET teacher, physical education teacher, okay, is collecting your data of your height, weight, etc. directly. They are, because they are collecting directly, okay, calling the student and measuring their height, weight, and asking their blood group, okay, and their age also, okay, and in which class they are reading. These all are called data. Okay, so they are, because they are collecting your data directly from you. That's why this is called primary data. Okay, so repeating again, when an investigator himself or herself collects data, this type of data is called primary data. Okay, now I wrote the example here. Now secondary data, when we use data obtained by other sources, okay, then it is called secondary data. Okay, for example, okay, CBSE asks schools, okay, please give the data of the students of their height, ages, class, okay, how many students are reading in class 9th or 10th or 8th, etc., and their height, and what is their height, weight, age, okay, blood group. Okay, so this is called the data. Okay, so CBSE ask school, and school ask PET teachers. They, okay, collected data, and this data is for PET teacher and for school is primary data. But the CBSE has thousands of schools, okay, affiliated by CBSE in India and outside also. So now CBSE is not directly collecting the data. They are, okay, using the other source. It means your school is the main source for them. Okay, so this type of data is called secondary data. Okay, for example, secondary data on internet, the data which is available on internet like Google, Yahoo, etc. Okay, like we have to collect the data, okay, for of capitals of different country. We go to Google, okay, we did not go directly and collect the data of those countries, okay, directly, and we are collecting from the Google option, and we are using, and Google is the third party source. Someone has posted it, okay, who investigated himself or herself, okay, he or she posted on Google, and we are using that data from the Google. That's why, okay, the all data on internet or Google is secondary type of data. Understood all of you? I hope you understood, because we had earlier discussed in the online classes. Okay, I hope you are getting well. If you have any query, any doubt in your mind, okay, you can send me the message on WhatsApp, as well as okay, in classroom you can comment, okay, on that video. So take care for, okay, today, for tomorrow. Okay, so wear mask always when you are going outside. Okay, use sanitizer. Okay, and keep doing hard work, keep doing smart work. Okay, take care. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.